guys, I'm from Clover Club. Welcome to, I think it's day 3 actually, yeah. For my Chelan trip. Right now I'm actually at this water park called Side Waters. I zoomed out.
Oh, my knees are smarter.
But yeah, so far it's been really good. I've gone on this water slide called Thunder Rapids so many times. It's really fun. And now we're just lounging right now. We have Pepsi. We've got chips, pretzels. Yeah, pretzel minis. So, and just look how cute these pretzels are. So cute. And they're really tasty. Anyways, it's really, really hot today. It's about as hot as it was yesterday. No. Yesterday it got to 100. But I think today it's like in the 90s. Something like that, I don't know. The brother is doubting me though. So, I can't take my phone with me on the rides because it is
Not waterproof.
not waterproof. And there are birds. They got really close. You can't see them because they're in the shade. Oh, there goes one. In the back of the shade.
Oh, wait!
So many people are out. It's very, very crowded today. I don't know. So tomorrow is the last day. It's my last full day. And then Thursday we're on our ride home. Back to home. Yeah. So only 4 days of vlogging. It's not like it's gonna be like it's not like it's gonna be like the Boston trip, you know? Or Cape Cod. I only went to Boston once, so yeah. I don't know what else to talk about other than just sit here and watch. Yeah. Okay. My brother is actually going out to the lazy river, and I'm gonna be here until they get back. And then I'm going to go and go on Thunder Rapids, which is the water slide I just showed you. Sometime over there. Can't really see it. I'm sorry if these vlogs are really, really short. It's not like it's in winter when I went out. It's not like it's in the spring like when I went out to Harvard. But there's a lot of water stuff going on and I can't bring my phone with me. I'm probably gonna get I really want a GoPro for my birthday soon. So yeah, but there are birds. They want food. That bird got so close. Birds everywhere. So. This Pepsi's really good. This is actually my second Pepsi that I've gotten because the first Pepsi that I got spilled onto my towel. Just look at that. Look at it spilled. Look at it. Yeah. So I'm going to end today's vlog. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Do so now. Thank you. Comment down below what you want me to see, what you want me to do, what you want me to see me do. And yeah, subscribe again. So I will see you guys in a brand new video.